Hi, I'm Tim and I'm a chippie by trade. And over the years I've worked with a lot of different claddings, but today we're going to be reviewing this product by James Hardie. Let's get into it. Lots of clients these days are looking to cover brick walls or poorly rendered facades, and this cladding is a perfect choice for that. This James Hardie Scyon Axon cladding is a modern cladding with vertical lines, which will draw your eye line vertically rather than horizontally like a traditional cladding. Axon cladding comes with a 9mm groove at 133mm spacing. But these fibre cement sheets come at 1200mm wide at various lengths, which is going to save you time on your installation. Each sheet can come in 2450, 2750 and 3m lengths. That'll reduce cutting and time wasted on a job. It also has hidden shiplap joins, which will also speed things up and keep it looking sleek. A great thing about this cladding is it can be installed with brads, which is going to make it super quick and efficient. It also comes pre-primed, which means once it's installed, you can paint it in any colour you want. Axon cladding has a 10-year warranty, which means these guys really back their products. The concrete construction means it's resistant to swelling, moisture, rot, shrinkage, and even those pesky termites. The way I see it, it's an easy choice. Thanks to this cladding, the house looks brand new. Now remember the old days when we had to lay this board by board? I know I look young, but I remember. There's a wide range of James Hardie products in stock at Bunnings and their trade centres for those who need urgent trade deliveries, so you won't be left waiting around. Bunnings also have a take-off service for the commercial and larger residential projects, so speak to your trade account manager and they'll hook you up. So there you have it. I'm officially on board with James Hardie cladding. Thanks for watching, and make sure you jump on and check out some of our other video reviews.